Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you on how to use CapCut to update your coloring, to adjust your coloring filters. It's the same as color grading on Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, but on CapCut. It's not the exact same thing, but it's more on the same genre or something like that. It's the best we can do on CapCut, okay? So the first thing you want to do, of course, upload your photo, and this is a sample photo that I got from the internet. Now, before we get into it, I'm going to show you these two photos right here that we're going to use specifically. So please pause the video right now to screenshot this one and this one, okay? So we have two photos that we're going to use that are especially needed on this tutorial, okay? So I suggest get your notepad, pull it up, get a pencil and paper, and write down these steps specifically because to obtain the proper or the best output on this tutorial, once you do it on your own, I suggest to do the steps accordingly as I say so. Okay? Thank you so much for that. So let's get into it. As I've said here, just pull up a photo that you want. As you can see here, I haven't done anything yet. I just uploaded the photo on the CapCut Project tab. And once you're here, I want you to click on Overlay right here. Click on Add Overlay. Since we're gonna add an overlay, I'm gonna choose the photos that I wanna add. Those two photos right there. Now, once I added them, I'm just gonna fill the screen with the first photo. And once I have that, I'm gonna click on that added photo, and then I'm gonna click on Blend. If you have an older version of CapCut, it's called Spice or Splice, I think. On my end, it's called Blend, and I'm gonna look for Overlay right here. Okay, that is the first one. Again, I'm just gonna repeat the steps on the second one. Fill the screen on this color, click on Blend, click on Filter or Overlay right here. Make sure you choose Overlay, okay? Now once that's done, I'm gonna click on the exact photo right here, and then I'm gonna click on Edit. Okay? Once I click on Edit, make sure it's perfectly fit. I'm gonna go back there and click on Filters right here, and then click on Adjust. So this is where those pencil, pen, or paper, or even notepad comes in, because we're gonna update or we're gonna add or adjust contrast. We're gonna put it into 10. Make sure this is a very specific number. On contrast, we're gonna use 10. On saturation, we're gonna use 100. Give me a second here. I think, okay then, 100 or 50, whatever you have, just make it into max, okay? So on sharpen, again, this is gonna be on max or 100. And then on vignette, if I'm saying correctly, vignette or vignette. So sorry for that if I'm not saying it correctly. So in this, I'm gonna give you an allowance for 10 to 15, whatever you please right here, okay? That should do it. And click on OK right here, and that is your final output on your photo. You can just click on save right here, and that is gonna be your new color graded photo that has been utilized via CapCut. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.